Hello and welcome to a new video here on AllDay Tutorials. In this video we are going to show you how you can fix your loudspeaker problem with the BV6000. If you have a problem with the loudspeaker of the BV6000, you aren't alone. Also, Blackview itself has recognized the fault. Until the 31st of January 2017, you could order a free replacement, but this service is no longer valid. If you want to hear music on the BV6000, you have to make this face? You do not have to. Here are 5 ways to fix your loudspeaker. Let's start with the first solution. It's very easy, just tip water over your phone to try to clean the loudspeaker. Let it dry and test it. If it isn't still working, we're going into the system. Open the phone app and type in this number. This will bring you to the engineer mode. Swipe till you get to hardware testing. Go to Audio, Volume. Here you can choose some options, but for the moment we are interested in audio playback. Here you have some options to play with and where you can set your speaker or headphone volume level higher. Remember that there's a maximum. The third solution is very easy. Just take a normal vacuum cleaner and clean the speaker. Maybe you can lift the speaker membrane. Let's go to the first solution. You will need 3 of these magnets. Blow in the headphone jack and try to lift up the membrane with the magnets. If everything has brought nothing, you have one last solution. Go to AliExpress, buy a new speaker or a new battery cover and block it in your device. A video how to open the BV6000 is already on YouTube. I hope we could help you with this video. Hit the like button if, and as we say in Swabian Germany, Ciaole und Adele!